Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. So I literally just got done a little while ago with my all-day battery drain test on the OnePlus 11 right here. As you can see, I got it died down to 1%. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this opportunity to do an ultra fast charging test with this device to see just how fast it charges from zero, well not zero, but 1% to 100%. As you can see, I got a timer here to my left. So it is pretty self-explanatory. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and get this charging test started. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. And once I see it start charging, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer. Boom. All right. So there it is. As you can see, SuperVolt charging. As you can see, we are able to see it charging live at ultra speeds right there. Look at how fast that's going. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep this video going. We are using the 80-watt charger that does come in the box to give us this super fast charging right here. It even says right here on the screen, ultra fast charging. And I'll keep tapping the screen so we can keep watching it live here. But I'll go ahead and throw this into a hyperlapse mode so I don't take too much of your guys' time. But yeah, let's see how fast this device charges. All right, so we just hit 5 minutes. As you can see here, 5 minutes, 9 seconds, and we are at 25% battery life. So definitely super fast charging, as you can see there, and you can see it go on and on live as it is going. So I am definitely very impressed with the charging speeds on this device. And it'll probably charge a little bit faster if I'm not constantly waking the screen like this, but I'm just doing it for the purposes of this video so you guys can see it charge in real time. So look at that, 5 minutes, 35 seconds, 26%. Let's keep it going. All right, so we have hit the 75% mark at 20 minutes. Again, 20 minutes, we're 3/4 of the way there, now 76%. So I can totally see why OnePlus didn't include wireless charging with this device right here, because why would you want to charge at slower speeds? We can charge up to 75% in just 20 minutes and be good for the day. If you saw my all-day battery drain test, you'll know that 75% battery life on this device can definitely get you through an entire day if you really wanted it to. So I'm not mad at them for not including wireless charging in this device at all. I know some people are bothered by it, but honestly, I don't mind if I'm getting fast charging speeds like this. But let's keep it going. We are almost to 100%, coming up on 21 minutes. All right, so we have made it to 100% battery life. Look at that, 31 minutes exactly. Got like 38 microseconds, but 31 minutes exactly to charge to 100% battery life. That is crazy, crazy fast if you ask me. That's like you're able to take a shower and get ready to go out, whatever, have your phone sitting on the charger from 0 to 100. It'll be charged for you by the time you're done and ready to go fully at 100% battery life. Crazy, super fast, ultra fast charging, as you can see right there on the screen. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Is this charging that can be fast enough for you? I'm sure anybody would agree that this is definitely fast enough for anyone ready to charge their phone. I can totally pick this over wireless charging. I have no problem with that. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. I don't think I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but yes, this device does have a 5,000 milliamp battery. So that's charging a 5,000 milliamp battery. But again, leave a thumbs up if you did like this video, find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. I'm about to head to bed. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.